Hey everybody, today is August 31st, and this is a quick review of what we did in both 6th and 8th grade classes today. One of the websites we'll be using this year is Mr.Nussbaum.com. It's one that I have used for several years. It is an excellent resource for both U.S. history and U.S. geography. First, a reminder, whenever you're on a website, do not ever give your personal information away. We want to keep you safe. So avoid any ads that might pop up. And if something pops up requesting your personal information, don't ever give that, please. Now, when you log on to Mr. Nussbaum, you will see several different tabs that you can go to that will contain different information. 8th grade, you will primarily use this history tab right here. 6th grade, you will primarily use the USA tab and the geography tab. There are other tabs on here that you may use if you'd like to. If you need a little extra math practice, this is a good one to go to. If you're doing a little research for a science project, this would be a great tab to use. They do have some games. They are good games, and I urge you to play them when you have your own free time. They are very, very good with educating. I would consider them learning activities instead of games. But that's not to be done, of course, during class unless the teacher has instructed you to do so. Now, when you click on one of the tabs, again, this is 8th grade for the most part, 6th grade USA and geography. When you click on the tab and begin to scroll down, you will see on the left-hand side all the things that go with that particular tab. For the USA tab, as you can see, all of the states will be listed. And when you click on the state, we'll go to Alabama, and you scroll down some more, you can see that there are all kinds of different maps and articles and activities related to Alabama. And when you find the one that you're wanting to work on, or the one that I want you to work on, you'll just click on it and it will have that information or activity ready for you. So if I were asking you to do some map work on Alabama, this might be a good page to pull up and use for that assignment. When you're done, you just click the back arrow and it will take you back, of course, to the previous screen. Our USA page also has great information on the national parks. So when we get to those, if you click, for example, Everglades, as you scroll down, again, all kinds of information on the Everglades that you can use. 8th grade, when you click on history, and we went through this in class today, but if you missed it or zoned out or forgot, here it is. Again, on the left-hand side, all the things we're going to be studying. Here's a big section on the Civil War with maps and people and causes and effects. As you scroll even further down, there are some sections on the Constitution that talk about what we're going to be studying with regards to that. So you can always pull this up when you have time to take a look. The website, again, is easy to navigate. It's one I've used for several years. We will be using them frequently. You'll have assignments to do with these. We will do some of these activities and readings together. So the better you are at navigating through, the more time you can focus on your work. So I urge you, when you get a chance, go ahead and get on Mr. Nussbaum and just get in here and look around so you're more apt to do well and not have to worry about that when we get to an assignment. As always, if you ever have questions, please let me know. Thank you.